Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the stock index trends for the week of May 5th to May 9th, 2025. So, let's start with the US markets. The week kicked off with a bit of a downturn. On Monday, the S&P 500 dropped by 0.6%, the Dow Jones slipped 0.2%, and the Nasdaq fell by 0.7%. Investors were on edge, anticipating updates on the US-China trade talks and the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. But here's where it gets interesting. By midweek, things started looking up. Reports came out on Wednesday about upcoming trade discussions between the US and China, sparking hopes of tariff reductions. The news led to a recovery in the US indexes, with gains continuing into Thursday, boosted by news of a new US-UK trade deal. Despite this midweek rally, the US markets ended slightly down overall. The S&P 500 closed the week down 0.47%, the Nasdaq dropped 0.27%, and the Dow Jones posted a modest decline. On the flip side, the Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong performed positively, rising by about 1.61% over the week. This was likely due to optimism surrounding the US-China trade negotiations. Looking ahead to the upcoming week, from May 12th to May 16th, there's cautious optimism. Moderate gains are expected across the indexes, driven by potential progress in trade talks and the outcome of the Fed meeting. Predicted closing ranges for Friday, May 16th. Here we go. Hang Seng Index between 22,000 and 22,800, S&P 500 from 5,600 to 5,800, Dow Jones around 40,800 to 42,000, and the Nasdaq between 17,800 and 18,200. Alright, that's it for this week's stock index trends. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more market updates. Catch you next time.